and we had to part ways. There is no closure.
I'm gonna get that, but at the same time,
What?
I have somebody, right? And we
Is that
can't.
person here right now?
No, he's not. But we can't continue to do this because.
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
We're just expressing ourselves.
Yeah, but you can't express yourself or the same express myself over here. So. You know, make this easy.
Nothing in life is easy.
We can't continue the conversation yet. Or next time.
No. We need to do this now. Why are you hiding your feelings? You're saying something, but your actions are saying the opposite.
What my actions are saying? Well, that's not what this is, alright? This is we can be G's, you can be my friend, you know, appreciate the gift. If you want it back, we can give back. But as I tell you, we can be friends. I have somebody. I feel like I don't know how to say this, but I feel like you're kind of stuck in the past a little bit, and this is move too fast. Like, you get me, I'm saying?
What past? We're currently in the present. You're standing here before me, I don't see anyone else. You want to be here, hence you're here now. And I want to be here. Stop resisting and just accept that I am back in your life.
Merci. Well, for.
Oh, but it just a look if the banana tree start bearing it.
Give me a second, alright? I have to take this.
Is one. What is the problem, Mitzi?
We never say nothing. We are going so far. Jeez. It all look like rain are gonna fall. You know people? Christopher. Hi. Everything alright with you and Patsy? Me say if everything alright with you and Patsy. No. Nothing, not just something I say a while ago. Let me ask.